Hello, sir. I am audible.
You are audible.
Yes.
Okay. So first start with your introduction.
Thanks for this opportunity, sir. Myself, Himanshu Kumar. I am I am currently pursuing my BTech from Heritage Institute of Technology, specialization in Information Technology Department. I am skilled in both front-end and React front-end and the back-end part, and I am also the team lead. Currently, I am the team lead of the Smart India Hackathon, in which our team qualify up to third round.
Okay. So have you previously worked in any internship or any full-time opportunity?
Yes, sir. I am intern at the Innovatic Research Lab during the September to November batch, where my role was in the burn stack development. Burn stack.
So can you explain the project in little bit detail, like what
Yeah,
you
yeah,
did there?
yeah. For the backend part, mainly we work on the two main project. The one was to do, which was main project of the backend part, and the other project was to build the e-commerce website using the Mern stack. Where we have built the e-commerce website, which include the feature like user authentication, product management, product listing, shopping cart, order processing, and order history. And there are three additional features which include in our website are user profile, search and filter option, and also the responsive design.
So you built the whole website or what you did
No,
like?
the complete project we are there. There are a problem statement given in around 4 to 5 page, which we have to. There are a time given around 15 to 20 days in which we have to
Mhm.
build and deploy. And at the end of the project, they have given me a form Google form link where we have to submit all the things and LinkedIn post. And there was a the deployment link and also the mm, complete how to if you want to go to if you want to host it locally, then define it completely mechanism how can we locally host.
Okay, so you have developed Munstack projects, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So can you show any of your projects?
Can I show the project which I have done in my the final project of innovative research lab?
Okay, you can show.
Can I share my screen?
Okay.
Screen is visible.
Yes, screen is visible.
Okay. This was the complete website where I am logging with the admin, which you can log in through the admin also, or you can log in through the user. If you are a user, you can user, and if you are admin, you can user through the admin.
And so, how do you differentiate between a normal user and admin?
There I have made each admin through admin a function where I have defined there are in MongoDB part where data was stored. There are two type of data. Then there is a field called ID, which I have assigned it. If ID by default ID was 0 for all the users, and for the some users which I want to give it to the admin part, then I have assigned it change the data to 1. The only user are able to see the admin part which are assigning the value of 1, or all the other user which are assigning the value of 0 are the user part. And if you are logging from that ID, that email or the password which you have assigned the value 1, then you can enter through the admin part.
Hmm. Can you show me how the login functionality is working?
Okay, okay. Can I log out it?
Logo.
Okay. I can log in it through admin or the user.
Admin, okay.
I can log in.
Mhm.
This is a home page of our website where all the there in the while in the task they have given me the data set of around 40 to 50 projects, and they can they wanted to me that to display the data on the front page, home page of our website. So I can all the data. And if you want to add to the cart, you can go to the add to cart, or if you want to the details of the complete product, if we will show the details, currently the image part is not loading.
Hmm.
Okay, if you want to add to the cart, add to the cart, or if there are the three put to product which are similar to, will be shown in the down part. And if you want to go to distinguish the category between different category, kids, home living,
Okay, so how you saw the similar products?
uh,
Like, what are you
which
using to show the similar products? So,
completely
sport. This is a watch. So, you are
yeah,
showing
yeah.
these similar watches. So, how
we
are you doing that?
we assign the different category while going to the if you are updating during the when you are logging through the admin, you some there are some product you have created, and you are assigning the same category, just like you are assigning the kid category to one product. And also the price range of, if you are expecting there is a person, if you log in and seeing the product at a price range of 1K, and they are seeing only the category of the category of the t-shirt, and they then there is, at the bottom we get the similar product which is range around maximum around similar type, and also the product part is the showing is that they are which category they are showing.
Hmm. Okay. And for the login purpose, there is simple email and password, or any other like JWT or
Huh,
OAuth you have
I
used.
have used JWD token part.
Hmm. So, can you explain about JWT tokens, how they work?
Yeah, yeah,
And
I can. The main JWT token is an object literal which is used for the authorization part. I have created a JWT token where there are different type of just like each sign in function, controller register, controller function, and there are different type of function. And you are using the while you are using the helper or middleware, then they are I can assign the value the app.get, the path name, and the backslash auth router जो भी router है, is admin and the JWT token sign in using JWT token is for for main purpose of the JWT token is to provide the validation or the author either the person which are logging is currently the right or no.
hmm. So we can do that by simply by comparing the password. So why use JWT tokens?
So
But
it's provide more validation. If you more if you want to got validate the website or the details of the user, then JWT token is the best.
hmm, okay. And for this website, what was the tech stack?
Mar
E-commerce website.
mar
Okay. And for styling purpose,
For styling purpose, I have used both the bootstrap part and the tailwind part.
hmm. So how Tailwind CSS is different from normal CSS style sheets and
Yeah, and, for the television, for the styling purpose, both are the same. Both to use the same type of things. But for if you are writing through this normal CSS part, then you are writing a whole complete code. In there are some giving some class name and using it in the normal index.css part, or give under the style element. Or just like when you are writing through the tailwind, they can provide you a CDN link which you import in the script tag. If you are from JS, and if they are from the CSS part, you can use it from in the title down the title bar button title tag. And for the and after importing the CDN link, then you can use, just like if you are if you are styling for a button, you can give button. If you want, there are many type option for just like small, if you want to small text sm small, or the if you want to give padding, then padding right, padding left, pl backslash the value of that part.
Okay.
Also, we also you can use the CSS, normal CSS, just like we have built the index.css file, just like, and assign the values, just like for button tag we have assigned the class name as button and button one, and through this after going in the index.css part, we have assigned dot button and font weight, background color, whatever you want to, padding left, padding right, then you can give the value.
Hmm. And you have also implemented some middlewares, right,
Yeah,
in
yeah,
this
yeah,
project?
yeah.
So can you explain about middlewares, what they do?
Middleware is basically a midway between the server and the applicant. For every main purpose of the middleware main function of the middleware is to provide both the gate, just like just like middleware is just like just I connect to the I am the applicant and there are the server, and you are the middleware. I post you something, you can get from there, and you can post from the server, you can take the data and you can provide me from that. They use the HTTP methods.
Hmm. So can you explain the HTTP methods? What are
Yeah,
different
hypertext.
HTTP methods?
It stands for hypertext transfer protocol. It's basically I have used around three types: get, put, and post. Get is used to the fetch the data. Post is used to send something. Post is used to send something from the. If you want to send something to the server after the login part, then it's get my post. And if you want, there are delete of part, if you want to go use delete, then you can completely delete that process.
And put part, what does put function do?
If you want to modify data or put something into that, then you can use f dot.
Hmm. Okay. And what about asynchronous functions? Uh,
Yeah,
why are they
there are
used?
two type of function: asynchronous or asynchronous. Basically, the synchronous part is that it's actually work one by one. One process complete, then after other process, and then after other process. But in case of asynchronous function, the main benefit come from that the after when one part is running, then other part is in the background is also running. But after the completion of the first part, the second part is the amount of part that could be run. After that, they can be easily assigned. So the timing value or the loading of the website got decreased.
Hmm. Okay. And what about promises in
Uh,
JavaScript?
uh,
Promise.
a promise is used for the error handling part. Dot catch dot error if you want to error.
Hmm. And virtual DOM in React.
Virtual DOM is basically the purpose of the virtual DOM is actually the copy of the real DOM. And if you
Hmm.
want to multiply task among the um, the main when we are loading the page, there are data which are not currently in use. They can so that the data in so that the data which are not in use uh, are are assigned to the in the virtual DOM, and they are in use, they can assign the value from the virtual DOM. They can assign the value into the real DOM, and thereafter you can use them.
Hmm.
Main
Uh,
purpose behind the virtual DOM is to increase the loading speed of the website, and
hmm.
that's why we use React basically.
Hmm. Uh, use you do you know about use state hook? First, tell
No,
me
I
about the difference between probes and states.
state is used to manage the state management. Basically, there
Hmm.
are three type of I have used three type of state, use redux, and use reference, use effect. Sorry, the function of use state is to manage the state locally, and the function of redux is used to manage the state globally. And
Hmm.
use redux, and What other I told you? Use effect you use to fetch the data.
Haha. Okay, so okay, Himanshu, that's
I am.
all.
Can I?
all-
Are you able to understand my whatever I am speaking?
Haha, I am able to understand.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so that's all from my
There
side.
are there are a
There
list of
might be
what?
there might be a second round also. So if you are selected for second round, we will convey to you.
Okay.
And okay, that's all. Thank you, Himanshu. You can leave.
Can you tell me something about the company?
Uh, okay, so basically, right now we are working to hire in BPO sector. Like we do the hiring for the BPO sector companies, and we also provide some training programs for their employees. And in detail, I will tell you in the second round if you are selected.
Okay, okay. And
Okay.
what type of questions should we ask in the second round? Can you tell? Just yeah.
Okay, some detailed questions will be there, like, and there might be a small task also based on the backend, uh, like Node.js and Express MongoDB. There might be a single task, and you have to explain how did you write the code on that task, and we will dive deep into your projects also. We might see your code and all those things. So this is only a introduction type of round. Okay.
Okay, okay. How much time should be given after first round?
So most probably by tomorrow we will tell you.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, Mansu.